Hey, what is up guys, Trix is here and today we are doing the unboxing of this wireless charger. So let's get right to the unboxing. So this is the QI wireless charger pad, and on the back there is some specification of this product. So let's unbox this. Opening the box. And this is the wireless charger pad and also the guide for that. These are the guide. Let's put this away. And yeah, so let's try this for the first time. Yeah, it works. And as you guys can see, the LED lights around the charger pad and it turns blue. It's very good. So thanks for watching guys. See you soon for our next video. Take care and peace.